Imagine having a superpower, the ability to say the perfect words that make someone truly captivated by you. Words so powerful they create an unshakable connection. How would you use that gift? What if I told you the secret isn't in what women say they want, but in what they never ask for? Stay with me, because today on the Stoic Route, I'll reveal 5 game-changing compliments that can help you build genuine, meaningful connections and win her heart effortlessly. If you've ever found yourself wondering what to say to make a woman notice you, you're not alone. Compliments, when used the right way, have the power to deepen connections, foster mutual respect, and build emotional bonds. However, the key lies in being genuine and thoughtful. It's not just about flattering someone, but making them feel truly seen and valued. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 types of compliments that go beyond the surface, ones that resonate emotionally and leave a lasting impression. Whether she's already interested in you or not, these tips will change the way you communicate and help you stand out. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Notice the little things. The first compliment is all about the details. Women appreciate it when you notice the small, thoughtful changes they make to their appearance or style. If she's wearing a new dress, trying a different hairstyle, or experimenting with makeup, acknowledging it shows you're paying attention. Instead of saying, "You look nice," say, "That new hairstyle really suits you," or "I love how that dress brings out your smile." These are specific, thoughtful, and show genuine interest. When you recognize the effort she puts into her appearance, especially for a date or an outing, it sends a strong signal that you see her, not just her looks. Something as simple as saying, "I noticed you picked those earrings to match your outfit. They're beautiful," can make her day. Number 2. Compliment her personality. Looks might catch the eye, but personality captures the heart. Women value compliments that highlight who they are rather than just how they appear. Praising her personality traits, like her kindness, determination, or humor, shows you appreciate her on a deeper level. For example, you might say, "I admire how calm and composed you are, even in tough situations," or "Your sense of humor is so refreshing. It always brightens my day." These compliments set you apart from the crowd because they show that you're genuinely interested in her as a person. Most people stick to surface-level flattery, but when you notice her inner qualities, it creates a sense of trust and connection. Number 3. Highlight her unique qualities. One of the most impactful ways to compliment someone is by highlighting the traits that make her stand out. People love to feel unique and valued for who they are. For instance, if she's a great listener or has a knack for making everyone around her feel comfortable, let her know. You could say, "You have this amazing way of making people feel heard. It's such a rare quality." This type of compliment not only boosts her confidence, but also makes her feel special. It's a subtle way of saying, "I see and appreciate what others might overlook." Number 4. Admire her passions. Women love when someone takes an interest in what they're passionate about. Whether it's her work, hobbies, or creative pursuits, showing genuine admiration for what she loves to do is a powerful way to connect. Say something like, "I love how dedicated you are to your art. It's inspiring to see someone so passionate." Or, "It's amazing how much thought you put into your work. It really shows in everything you do." By complimenting her passions, you show that you're paying attention to what matters to her. This builds trust and creates an emotional bond, as she feels supported and valued for who she is beyond her looks. Number 5. Celebrate her achievements. Finally, one of the most meaningful compliments you can give is to recognize her progress and achievements. This could be anything from acing an important project at work to reaching a personal milestone. Instead of a generic "good job," say, I really admire how much effort you put into achieving this. It's inspiring to see your dedication pay off. Acknowledging her growth shows that you're not only noticing her success, but also the hard work and determination behind it. This type of compliment reinforces her self-esteem and makes her feel supported in her journey. Compliments, when genuine and thoughtful, can create deep emotional connections. They show you care, pay attention, and value her for who she truly is. The key is to focus on her unique qualities, personality, passions, and efforts, rather than sticking to surface-level flattery. Start putting these tips into practice today and watch how they transform your interactions. Remember, it's not just about making her like you, but about building a meaningful bond based on mutual respect and admiration. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to The Stoic Route. Give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep growing and improving together.